Welcome to Vanindin Academy. At Vanindin Academy, we're all about empowering sustainable futures. And today, we're diving into a question many homeowners around the world are asking: how much money can solar panels save you? In this video, we'll explore the upfront costs of going solar and how incentives can reduce them in various countries, how much you can save on energy bills over time, the concept of net metering and how it can actually make you money, the payback period for solar panels, and the long-term benefits. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how solar can be a smart financial decision for your home, no matter where you live. Let's begin by talking about the cost of installing solar panels. The initial investment can seem daunting, but understanding the breakdown of these costs can help you make an informed decision. The cost of a residential solar system varies by country and region. Factors such as local labor rates, the size of the system, and the type of solar panels used all play a role in determining the final price. In the United States, the average cost ranges between $15,000 and $25,000 before applying tax credits. This range can be influenced by the size of the system, the quality of the panels, and the complexity of the installation. Federal and state incentives can significantly reduce these costs, making solar more accessible to homeowners. Canada sees similar costs, though homeowners may pay slightly more due to colder climates and higher energy needs. The harsh weather conditions can necessitate more robust and sometimes more expensive equipment. However, Canadian provinces offer various incentives and rebates that can help offset these higher costs. In Europe, installation costs vary widely. Countries like Germany and Spain often have lower costs due to established solar markets, while the United Kingdom may see slightly higher upfront expenses. Germany, for instance, has a well-developed solar industry with competitive pricing, while Spain benefits from abundant sunshine, reducing the need for high-capacity systems. The UK, on the other hand, may face higher costs due to less sunlight and higher labor rates. In Africa, solar costs can range significantly, but the continent has some of the highest potential for solar energy generation, especially in regions with abundant sunlight like South Africa and Kenya. The initial costs can be higher in some areas due to import tariffs and less developed local markets, but the long-term benefits of solar energy in these sun-rich regions are substantial. Pro tip: always research the specific costs in your area, as prices can vary depending on system size, local labor costs, and market competition. Additionally, consider the long-term savings on your energy bills and the potential increase in your property value. Consulting with multiple installers and getting several quotes can help you find the best deal. Remember, investing in solar is not just about the upfront costs, but also about the long-term benefits and savings. It's also worth noting that the cost dynamics can differ for commercial installations. Businesses often have larger energy needs and may require more extensive systems, which can drive up the initial costs. However, commercial entities can also benefit from economies of scale, potentially reducing the cost per watt of installed capacity. Additionally, businesses may have access to different types of incentives and financing options that can make solar a more attractive investment. Government buildings and community solar projects are another area where costs can vary. These projects often benefit from government funding and grants, which can significantly reduce the upfront costs. Community solar projects in particular allow multiple households to share the benefits of a single solar installation, spreading the costs and making solar more accessible to those who may not have suitable rooftops for panels. The type of solar panels you choose can also impact the cost. Monocrystalline panels, known for their high efficiency and sleek appearance, tend to be more expensive than polycrystalline panels. Thin film panels, while generally less efficient, can be a cost-effective option for certain applications. Advances in technology and increased production capacities are continually driving down the costs of solar panels, making them more affordable for a wider range of consumers. Maintenance costs are another factor to consider. While solar panels are generally low maintenance, they do require occasional cleaning and inspection to ensure optimal performance. Some systems may also need periodic inverter replacements, which can add to the overall cost over the lifespan of the system. However, these maintenance costs are typically much lower than the savings generated by the solar system over time. Ultimately, the decision to go solar should be based on a comprehensive understanding of both the upfront costs and the long-term benefits. While the initial investment can be significant, the potential savings on energy bills The increase in property value and the positive environmental impact make solar a worthwhile consideration for many homeowners. By doing thorough research and consulting with professionals, you can make an informed decision that best suits your financial situation and energy needs. Governments worldwide offer incentives to reduce these upfront costs. In the United States, the federal solar tax credit allows homeowners to deduct 30% of their installation costs. In Canada, some provinces offer rebates or no-interest loans for solar systems. For example, Alberta's residential and commercial solar rebate program has helped many homeowners offset up to 30% of installation costs. In Europe, countries like Germany provide generous feed-in tariffs, where you're paid for the energy your solar panels generate. In Africa, programs like South Africa's Renewable Energy Independent Power Producer Procurement Program support residential and community solar projects. Now, let's talk savings. The average household spends hundreds to thousands annually on electricity, depending on location. In the United States and Canada, households can save anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 per year after installing solar panels. In Europe, where electricity prices tend to be higher, annual savings can reach €2,000 or more in countries like Germany or Spain. In Africa, solar can be particularly impactful, offering savings not just in money, but in access. In areas with unreliable grid electricity, solar panels can replace expensive diesel generators, saving households and businesses significant costs while providing consistent power. Did you know? In sunny regions like sub-Saharan Africa and the Mediterranean, the potential for energy savings is even greater due to high solar irradiance. Net metering is another way to increase your savings or even earn money. In Canada, provinces like Ontario and British Columbia offer net metering programs, allowing you to send excess solar energy back to the grid for credits. Across Europe, net metering or similar schemes are common, with countries like Italy and Belgium rewarding homeowners for contributing to the energy grid. In Africa, net metering policies are emerging in countries like South Africa, where residents can sell excess power back to municipalities or utilities. Let's discuss the payback period. The payback period is a crucial metric for anyone considering an investment in solar energy. It essentially tells you how long it will take for the savings on your energy bills to equal the initial cost of the solar system. Understanding this period can help you make an informed decision about whether solar energy is a good financial move for you. This is the time it takes to recover your investment through energy savings. When you install solar panels, you start generating your own electricity, which reduces your reliance on the grid and lowers your monthly energy bills. Over time, these savings add up, and eventually, they will equal the amount you initially spent on the solar system. This point in time is known as the payback period. In the US and Canada, the payback period typically ranges from 6 to 10 years. This range can vary based on several factors, including the cost of electricity in your area, the amount of sunlight your location receives, and any available incentives or rebates. For instance, states with higher electricity rates or more generous solar incentives may see shorter payback periods. In Europe, the timeline can be shorter in countries with higher electricity rates and generous incentives, often 5 to 8 years. Countries like Germany and Spain, which have strong solar policies and high electricity costs, often see quicker returns on investment. Additionally, the European Union's commitment to renewable energy has led to various subsidies and incentives that further reduce the payback period. In Africa, the payback period varies widely. The continent's diverse economic conditions and varying levels of access to electricity mean that the payback period can differ significantly from one region to another. In some areas, the high cost of traditional energy sources like diesel can make solar a very attractive option, even if the initial investment is high. While systems may take longer to pay off in some regions, the immediate benefits of reduced reliance on costly diesel fuel can make solar highly worthwhile. In many African countries, diesel generators are a common source of electricity, but they are expensive to run and maintain. Switching to solar can provide a more stable and cost-effective energy solution, even if the payback period is longer. For example, if your solar system costs $20,000 in the US and you save $2,000 annually on energy bills, your payback period is 10 years. This simple calculation can help you understand the financial benefits of going solar. However, it's important to consider other factors as well, such as maintenance costs, potential increases in electricity rates, and the lifespan of your solar panels. In Germany, where energy savings may exceed 2,500 euros annually, the same system could pay for itself in as little as 8 years. Germany's strong commitment to renewable energy and high electricity costs make it one of the most favorable markets for solar energy. Additionally, the country's various incentives and subsidies can further reduce the payback period, making solar an even more attractive investment. It's also worth noting that the payback period can vary for commercial installations. Businesses often have higher energy demands and can benefit from economies of scale, which can lead to shorter payback periods. For instance, a large commercial building with a significant energy consumption might see a payback period of just a few years, especially if they take advantage of available tax credits and incentives. Weather conditions and geographic location also play a crucial role in determining the payback period. Solar panels are more effective in areas with abundant sunlight, but they can still generate electricity in cloudy or snowy conditions. Advances in solar technology have made it possible for panels to be efficient in a variety of climates, which can help reduce the payback period even in less sunny regions. The installation process and the quality of the solar panels can also impact the payback period. High-quality panels and professional installation can ensure that your system operates efficiently and lasts longer, which can shorten the payback period. It's important to choose a reputable installer and invest in good quality panels to maximize your return on investment. In conclusion, the payback period for solar energy systems can vary widely based on a number of factors, including geographic location, local electricity rates, available incentives, and the quality of the installation. By understanding these factors and doing thorough research, you can make an informed decision about whether solar energy is the right investment for you. Whether you're a homeowner looking to reduce your energy bills or a business owner seeking to lower operational costs, solar energy offers a promising solution with long-term financial and environmental benefits. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Switching to solar reduces your carbon footprint everywhere in the world. Over its lifetime, the average solar system offsets the equivalent of planting thousands of trees or eliminating the burning of over 100,000 pounds of coal. This is especially impactful in regions heavily reliant on fossil fuels, such as parts of North America and Africa. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered in this video series about solar energy and its benefits for homeowners. Solar panel installation costs vary worldwide, depending on factors such as location, the size of the system, and the type of panels used. However, these costs can be significantly reduced through various incentives like tax credits, rebates, and net metering programs offered by governments and utility companies. By investing in solar panels, homeowners can save thousands of dollars on their electricity bills over the lifespan of the system. Solar panels not only help in saving money, but also protect against the rising energy costs that many regions are experiencing. Additionally, they reduce reliance on the traditional power grid, providing a more stable and independent energy source. Net metering is another significant benefit, allowing homeowners to earn money for the excess energy their solar panels generate, which can be sold back to the grid. The payback periods for solar panel investments range from 5 to 10 years globally, depending on the location and the incentives available. So, how much money can solar panels save you? The answer varies, but the savings are substantial and can make a significant difference in your household budget. For homeowners across the US, Canada, Europe, and Africa, the answer is clear. Solar energy is a smart financial decision. Solar is not just an investment in your home, it also increases the property value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Moreover, it's an investment in a sustainable and cost-effective future, contributing to a cleaner environment for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps us grow and reach more viewers worldwide who are interested in renewable energy solutions. And if you haven't subscribed to Vininden Academy yet, what are you waiting for? By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and never miss out on valuable information about renewable energy. Click that subscribe button to stay connected for weekly videos on renewable energy, sustainability tips, and much more. We also share inspiring success stories from around the globe, showcasing how communities and individuals are making a difference with renewable energy. Empower your future with Vininden Academy. Join us in our mission to promote sustainable living and renewable energy solutions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting content.